Hey, hello, welcome. We're in Algebra 1. We're working on the third learning target still. It's where we're going to continue to solve equations, and today's work is going to involve solving equations when there's more than one variable in the equation. For today, we're going to solve things, solving for y. It's going to look a lot like stuff that we asked you to practice, although you might have noticed wasn't directly on the test for graphing lines. So you have seen this happen before. I've asked you to do it repeatedly before. It wasn't tested before, but it will be now. Well, coming up. Okay, so first example is written out for you. It ends in a happy face, so everybody should be pleased as punch about that. You might want to look at that yourself. Here we've got one that needs to be solved. You got x plus y equals 6. Just because there's a bunch of other stuff with words and whatnot around the equation, I like to rewrite it. And then to solve for y, we're going to need to subtract x from each side. That way the x's will go bye-bye. And so y equals negative x plus 6. If you choose to write 6 minus x instead, y equals 6 minus x, that's also just fine. That was a pretty easy example. Here's another one. Here we got 2x minus 3 equals 6. So again, I'm going to rewrite it. Then go ahead and begin by subtracting 2x. That entire term with the x's on it needs to go away. So bye-bye x's. Negative 3y equals negative 2x plus 6. And again, if you prefer to write the constant first, that's totally fine. The key thing is to remember that they do not mix the term with the x's and the constant term. Almost done. We need to divide by negative 3. And when we do that, by negative 3's, y equals 2/3 x minus 2. And the trick here is to remember, and we talked about this before, but it's worth highlighting again. The trick here is to remember that negative 2 divides by negative 3, and the 6 term divides by negative 3. Those are both important, so make sure that everybody gets to divide. I think it makes a heart and makes me think of happiness, but whatever. So now we've got another example. This looks more like the point-slope form stuff. Again, I'm going to rewrite the equation just to have something to work with. There's too much going on with the other words around it. First step, double rainbow. Distributive property, 2/3. Distributes around, so 2/3 x. And then 2/3 times negative 6 is negative 4. Then go ahead and subtract the 6, cancel out, whoa, that got exciting. Cancel out the 6's, y becomes 2/3 x minus 10. The answer could not wait to appear. All right, now, here's another one. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it. I don't necessarily care if you rewrite it or not, but I do just, this too much words, too many words. Okay, that 1/6 has got to distribute around, so y minus 6 equals 1/4 x plus 3/2. Forgive me, I said 1/6 is distributing, and that's silly. It's 1/4 distributing. Okay. Got to add the 6 because it's y minus 6. So add the 6, and bye-bye 6's. And so y equals 1/4 x plus, and we got 15/2. Boom, boom, boom. That's it. That's example 4. That's it for the notes today. Hey, please let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.